Bitcoin rallied to its highest price since December 2021 Monday, as the world's top cryptocurrency cleared the $50,000 price level for the first time in over 2 years. The move triggered a rally for cryptos and related stocks. Coinbase stock and Bitcoin ETFs surged while Bitcoin miner Marathon Digital vaulted. Bitcoin traded above $50,200 Monday afternoon after briefly hitting $50,314 in the morning, its highest level since December 2021. Bitcoin had spiked to $49,000 January 11th on the ETF launch day, but then fell back into its early December 2023 level prior to the SEC announcement. Still, BTC is up more than 18% so far this year. Ethereum hovered near $2,650 at 4-week highs and is up 15% so far in 2024. Crypto exchange Coinbase surged 3.8% Monday to push back above its 50-day moving average. Marathon Digital stock bolted 14.2% back near late December highs. Meanwhile, spot Bitcoin ETFs jumped more than 5.5% during trade, after adding around 4% Friday. BlackRock's iShares. Bitcoin Trust has been the clear leader in fund inflows since the spot Bitcoin ETFs launched January 11th with roughly $3.75 billion in inflows as of end-of-day February 9th, according to BitMEX research data. The Fidelity-Wise Origin Bitcoin Fund ranks second at $3 billion in inflows. The ARK21 Shares Bitcoin ETF on Friday overtook Bitwise Bitcoin ETF in terms of inflows. ARKB has recorded $918.5 million in total inflows as of February 9th, while BITB recorded $785.8 million. Grayscale Bitcoin Trust recorded about $6.38 billion in outflows as of February 9th, which have steadily slowed. Still, Grayscale remains the leader in terms of assets, with $22.12 billion in assets under management, followed by iShares Bitcoin Trust at $4.18 billion. Despite GBTC's outflows, the new ETFs have recorded $2.65 billion in inflows since launch, according to BitMEX research. Other trends are set to drive Bitcoin in 2024, including the upcoming halving event in April and influx of institutional participation expected as the result of the ETF launch. The most important factor, though, will be mainstream adoption, according to Joel Kruger, market strategist at LMAX Group. Now that the Bitcoin spot ETFs have been approved, more of an effort will be made from traditional institutions to promote Bitcoin's value proposition. But we still have yet to see the full force of institutional inflows, says Kyle DeCruz, Director of Digital Assets Products at VanEck. VanEck launched its spot Bitcoin ETF, the VanEck Bitcoin Trust, on January 11th. H. Odell recorded more than $75.5 million in inflows since launch and has $161.7 million in assets under management as of February 9th, according to BitMEX. A majority of financial advisors don't have access to the ETFs yet because a lot of the platforms require due diligence and other parameters to be met.